Unlock global payments, your 2025 guide to the Skrill Visa Card. Ready to conquer the world of online payments from Nigeria? The Skrill Virtual Visa Prepaid Card is your golden ticket. Forget waiting for mail. This digital powerhouse lets you shop, subscribe, and spend online instantly and securely. Let's get you set up in just a few clicks. Step 1. The foundation. Your Skrill account. First things first, you can't get the card without an account. Sign up or log in. Head over to the official Skrill website. If you're new, the sign up is a breeze. If you're an old hand, just log in. Verify, verify, verify. This is non-negotiable. A verified account is a trusted account. To unlock the card feature, you'll need to complete Skrill's identity verification process. Have a valid ID, like a national ID card, driver's license, or international passport, and proof of address ready. Step 2. Fund your ambition. Your card needs fuel. You must deposit funds into your Skrill wallet before you can generate a card. Make your first deposit. Add some money to your account. You can use various methods available in Nigeria. This proves your account is active and ready for action. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover the card application fee and have some spending money. Step 3. The grand finale. Get your virtual card. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Navigate to Skrill Card. Once logged in and funded, look for the Skrill Card tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Choose Virtual Card. Skrill offers a virtual card, which is perfect for online use. Click the option to get your virtual card. Pay the fee and go. There's a small application fee, typically around $10. The exact amount will be shown in your account currency. Once you confirm the payment, bam! Your Skrill Virtual Visa Card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV are generated instantly. You're now ready to use it anywhere online that accepts Visa. Happy spending!